Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Realme Buds Wireless, and on the box you can see it says Real Base Unwired. So let's get right into opening these. Immediately you can see the earphones. They are neckband style wireless earphones. Let's take these out of the package and set this aside for a minute, and let's see what we have in here. Inside the box we have a little user guide, and we also have a micro USB cable, unfortunately, which is actually very short, and we have a few silicone tips, extra tips. So let's open these. There you have it. It looks like these are the large tips, while these are the small ones, and the medium size are actually fitted on the earphones themselves. So here you have the guide. It tells you a few things about how to turn it on, how to pair the earphones, and here you have the tiny micro USB charging cable. So let's set all of this aside and look at the earphones themselves. So the earphones actually have these wing tips, so it could do really well for those with an active lifestyle who like running or listening to music when they're gymming. And they also have this neckband style design, so it simply goes around your neck, and you have a few controls here that you can control music with, and they are also magnetic, so they simply rest like this on your shoulder, which is great. So that's it for what we have inside the box of the Realme Buds Wireless. Thank you so much for watching this video.